A. Can valves make a knocking noise? Yes, an intake valve not opening fully or an exhaust valve not closing completely could cause knocking noises and power loss. This can happen due to worn valve components, carbon buildup, or lifter problems. B. Symptoms/signs of the incorrect valve lash adjustment. 1. Engine misfiring, irregular firing pattern due to improper valve timing. 2. Unusual noises, ticking or tapping sounds indicating excessive lash. 3. Poor engine performance, notable loss in power and responsiveness. 4. Increased emissions, elevated exhaust pollutants indicating incomplete combustion. 5. Oil contamination, signs of burned oil due to excess heat from valve misalignment.